Alright, g'day everyone, Morgo back again, and it's the day before cod season. And honestly it could look a bit better. I was hoping the rain would slow down a bit, but it isn't, and most rivers and creeks are, well, running pretty hard, if not flooding, and yeah, looking pretty dirty too, so it's going to be a very slow start. But good news is it should be a very good season once it all does slow down. But anyway, this is a reasonably quick video of a couple kayak sessions I done during last season, which I haven't put up. So hope you all enjoy, and yeah, I'll catch you when this season actually kicks off a bit better. See yous. Yes. First cast with the big M2. Right, just a little tacker on the big M2. First cast, not too bad. Very lively, this little one. Put him back. Yes, it's like another little one. Look how tiny that is. There's a big M2. Here you go, little one. Yes. Here we go. You're getting closer to 60. Not a bad little fish. Alright, there you go, buddy. Off you go. Yes, that's a good fish. It's a little bit better fish for the morning. Big M2 in the red fin colour again. Number 4. Yes, there's a fish. There we go. That'll be number 5 for the morning here. Big M2's doing well. There we go. There you go, little buddy. You've been in the wars too, haven't you? Beautiful fish. Oh yes, there's a fish. Well, that one's a little more serious. Oh yes, that one's on. Some nice patterning on him. Very healthy. Oh yes. Another little cranky one. There you go, buddy. Off you go. Oh, there we go. Didn't take long at all. There you go. Chase bait's prop duster. That's a 200mm lure. And a fish that small just hammered it. It's amazing. Come on. Off he goes. I was expecting something a little bit bigger. Oh, on again! Yes! Love it. Oh, come on, buddy. He's a pretty fish. Chase bait's prop duster again. 2 on the board and about 4 casts. Here we go. Oh yes, there's number 4. It's not a bad little fish either. Nice little fish. On the prop duster again from Chase Baits. They're loving it today. Oi, jeez. There you go, buddy. Off you go. Oh yes, another one. Sorry, buddy. Gee, you're a nice looking fish too. Hey, off you go. Oh, thank you for the shower. Oh, there he is. Jesus. Holy moly. There you go, buddy. Alright. How hard did he hit that? Yes! Gotcha! Another very healthy cod. Oh, there we go. Oops. Cast more go. Let's try this again. Yes! There's one! Oh, that is awesome. First fish on the Mega Pompadour. Nice little 60 model. First fish on the Mega Pompadour. That is awesome. Get a good look at ya. There we go. Nice little fish. Good start to the morning. Should always put this wrist strap on. Here, buddy, off you go. Ooh, Oh, there's a fish. Don't drop this one, Morgate. Holy crap, that thing's a baby. That thing is a baby. At least you got the lure out anyway. Come on. Ah, I dropped him. That's alright. That's 2 fish for the morning, that's alright. Yes. There we go. Nice little fella on the Battalion again. Plenty of small fish here. Need to find the bigger ones. Oh, hit me right there. Yes! Oi, come on, settle in, settle in. There we go. Another nice little fish. They're loving this 190. Oh, there's a fish. Holy crap, he's tiny. You'd have to be one of the smallest cod I've ever caught. 190 Battalion. What were you thinking? Off you go. Yes! He belted that off the top. Nice little fish. A lot of small ones today. Yeah, buddy. Yes! He did too. There we go. Another nice little fish. Off you go. Playing in kindergarten today. Oh, there's a fish. There we go, little fella. Look at him. They are definitely getting smaller. Off you go. Peekaboo. Oh, I love doing that. Alright, had my fun with the goats. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. You hit that off the top. He hit that off the top. Oh, come on. Right at the kayak. Oh, surely that's not the same fish. Okay. Alright. That's got to be up there with one of the smallest of the day. Tiny. Very ferocious. Off you go. Yes. Another little one.